They are always surprised when you walk in Bangkok to see the street like this.
Yeah.
Local street with local Thai food.
Yeah, so many foods.
Curry, Thai curry, wow.
Hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
Hope you are doing great today. Today is Monday afternoon and we are at the government banking. So we are not sure what this building was, so we just walk here. And actually it's a bank office. And yeah, here, government saving bank. So we are on the Phahon Yothin road, not far from Saphan Quai.
To the right is Saphan Quai.
Yeah, Saphan Quai here. And to the left, far away, it's Victory Monument. But we have but there is also the Ari station, Ari BTS station. So we explore this area. We heard there is a good coffee and a nice restaurant, and I think there is one street here that is pretty cute, so we wanted to show you guys.
This one, right?
I think we arrived already.
Yeah, it's the
Okay.
Phahol Ari.
Okay, so it's the Hub Phahol Ari. Okay, so let's see this cute street. We can see that there is several coffee shop, specialty coffee, Thai cuisine. Here we have Saturday. Hey, there is a very nice coffee.
Yeah.
So this is B, what it? Best custard in town. Okay, nice.
Yeah. Do you guys like drinking coffee?
Coffee, bubble tea. Oh, this barber, it's nice. Craftsman barber.
Share with us your favorite coffee, kind of coffee you drink.
Yeah.
What is yours then?
Mine?
favorite,
I
yeah.
don't know. Mocha?
Mocha?
Mocha coffee. So we have a herb. I'm not sure what is this.
The coffee shop?
Oh, it's a coffee shop. It's nice. It's all blank. A coffee shop, yeah. Oh, they do a nice coffee, I think. Sleep Enemy. Pretty nice. It's like minimalist coffee. Yeah, we have Phil.
I like the name
Yeah.
of Sleep Enemy
Yeah,
for the coffee.
yeah, it's nice. A good marketing name.
Yep.
Okay, so it's a dead end street. We cannot go further. But it's really nice here, I think. So if you want just to come and eat something, there is some choice. and maybe it's better for coffee because I think there's a lot of cafe, studio cafe. Zapkak.
We didn't expect to see the street, and it's pretty small. So maybe we are going to the main street and see what we can see.
Yeah,
more.
we'll see. Yeah, because we don't know this area actually. So it's first time we got off at Safan Kwai. Because usually we got off at Mochit BTS station, so the next one, because they have Chatuchak weekend market, a very popular market here in Bangkok. It's a pretty huge market, so we decided to just to come here and see what this Safan Kwai area looks like, and so we end up here on this street. Okay, so here we are back to the main street.
The traffic is pretty jammed already.
Yeah.
It's about 3:30.
Yeah, heavy traffic.
Yeah, on a normal day.
$7-Eleven. The best in Bangkok, in Thailand.
Yeah,
Can find everything here.
and can save your life at 3 a.m. if you don't know what to eat.
If you're so hungry, don't know what to eat.
There is always a 7-Eleven nearby.
Yeah, you can trust them.
You can count on them.
Yeah, for 2021, it's almost there. Ready for this new year
Yeah,
to take every challenges, to do more, to work for what you believe.
yeah, agree. To continue YouTube
Yeah.
and publish more video with you guys and try new things. Explore more, for sure. And you, what are your resolutions for 2021? Comment below.
Flower market. So the road is pretty long. Actually, if you go straight, you will arrive at Victory Monument. So much noise. Oh, what is this? It's closed. Ah, it was a car wash. Garage.
In Bangkok, not many people like to walk like us. You
Yeah.
can see on the street right now. Maybe we are the only one walking.
Yeah, it's because in Thailand it's really hot. It's for now. It's, for example, now it's
33?
33 degrees.
Yeah.
It's a little humid too.
It's humid, yeah.
So it's pretty hot, and it's easy to take transport here
Yeah, the BTS.
because you
MRT,
can, yeah,
yeah.
BTS, MRT,
Bike.
bike,
Yeah.
taxi. And taxi and motor taxi, for example, is pretty cheap.
Yeah. Even for the short distance, guys.
Yeah. So usually there is not so much people working. But we work because we think that you can see a lot of different things working.
It's a different way to explore.
Yeah, take time. Yeah, for example, this one, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's like a mall. Ari Hills, Quartier Hotel Art.
And we can take our time and stop everywhere we want to. Of course, we also like take a bike if we get the opportunity, or BTS or the bus, even the bus in Bangkok. But when we can and we have time, we walk. And if we are not too lazy also.
Don't have to be lazy. We cannot be lazy. It's bad to be lazy.
He's old but still exercise.
Benz Ratchaklu. What is Ratchaklu? Is it like Mercedes? Mercedes-Benz? Benz Ratchaklu.
I don't know what you are talking about, but yeah, I guess. So where are we now? I see a McDonald's just
yes.
there.
Here you can see like the road is so large that for crossing the roads we have to take this kind of
pathway.
Yeah, or bridge, I don't know how we call it.
Footpath.
Yeah. So usually it's like this on the big road in Bangkok.
Otherwise it's really difficult to cross
yeah.
the road. The car won't stop for you guys, so it's better to take this footpath.
Yes, safety. Wow.
What was that?
I don't know. Maybe.
It was scary.
I think it's just a car that accelerates very quickly. Okay, we have McDonald's. McDonald's.
Macro. Like French say.
Oh.
Nice. Oh, nice in the street.
Yeah. Villa Market. Huh? I think it's some office. SCB is the main bank in Bangkok. No, I don't know if it's the main bank, but yeah, it's a big one. Oh, there's nice things here.
Okay, maybe we are going there and then finish the work. They are always surprised when you walk in Bangkok to see the street like this.
Yeah.
Local street with local Thai food.
It's what we like.
Yeah.
Yeah, so many foods.
The Thai curry, wow. Oh, this is the bread with the jam.
Mango.
Great. you enjoyed this walk around Sapan Kwai. And if so, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We also hope that you
learn more.
yes, see something new with us. And yeah, see you in the next one.
See you on the next one, guys. Bye.